Hello everyone, hope so you all are doing good. In this video, I'll show you how to fix connection problem in Turbo 6X Pro. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe and watch our complete video.